Hello parents and students, I'm just showing you this short tutorial about how to access our Google Classroom this year. So as you can see here, I'm on the NEISD homepage, which is where you're going to start. You'll then go to Launchpad and you'll be prompted to sign in. And I'm just using a student's username here. You will have your child's information, which you should have received via email. And you'll see the Student Launchpad right now, and you will go to Google. It's kind of on the side here to the left of library resources, so you may not see it, but now you will. So you'll then go to Google Classroom. It says no classes. So what you'll do is at the upper right-hand corner, you'll see the plus sign, and it'll say join class. And you will type in the class code, which is F4ADY. And it is a lowercase l. It actually looks like a number 1, but I believe it's an L. We'll see now, and we'll join. And that is our homepage. And this is where you'll see all of your children's assignments, so students. You will always be able to contact me via Zoom, email, parents, email, remind. So let me know if you have any questions.